Today for Avalanche Awareness Days, we're talking about obvious clues that avalanche danger might be increasing.
How do I know if the avalanche danger is getting worse? Here are some obvious clues. If it's been puking, the avalanche danger has increased. If you're driving here and seeing recent avalanches, that's another good sign. If it's windy and you're seeing wind loading, it's another good sign. If terrain that has previously been open at the resort is now closed, another sign. And this sign is another sign. We know it may seem very obvious, but when it comes to an awesome POW day, sometimes this gets overlooked. Yeah. Puking. And you see wind light, 5, 6, 7, 8, signs everywhere, there's signs.